Another way to create an assignment is to use some of the base data that you have and some of the vector data that you have and just buffer that. In other words, make it a little wider. So the first thing I'm going to do is in my base data group is expose my flow lines. And remember, flow lines are streams and drainages. So as I select them, you'll see on the screen all these drainages with these small drainages right here and the major streams that are depicted on the map. If I go ahead and start an editing session, and I've got the small pointer tool. This isn't the big select elements pointer tool. This is the small editor edit tool. With this, I can select, I can draw a little square around, or I can click on and select any of these. So I'm actually selecting these attributes. So if I was to select this attribute here, you can see how I'm following this stream. This one's in multiple parts. So it's in one, two, it's probably 5 or 6 parts going across here, this stream. But just for demonstration, if I was to select this drainage right here, and I wanted to turn that into an assignment, the easiest way to do that is go to the Edit menu and choose the Buffer tool. Now the Buffer tool, I can select different templates. So my templates that I can select from are assignments and search segments, because the Buffer tool only works on line or polygon classes. So I'm going to select the assignments. Here's the distance that I want to buffer it by. Now our default drawing tool, constructed buffer was 25 meters, so I could do the same thing. I could type 25 in here and hit OK. And what I've actually done is create a feature in my table right here, buffering that line by 25. So if I open up my attribute table, you'll see I've created this. And this, if I flash it, is this feature right here. So I've just taken a drainage and quickly turned it into an assignment. You can do exactly the same with trails. I have some trails right here. And I know if I zoom out a little bit and pan over, I have some trails on this side of my assignment.